OpenAI wants to hand the US government a 5% equity stake and reshape how the entire world regulates AI. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Friday, July 3rd, 2026. In AI news today, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman is proposing something unprecedented, handing the US government a 5% equity stake in the company, valued at $852 billion. He's also calling for an international AI safety forum modeled on the IAEA. This isn't just a regulatory concession. It's a bet that making government shareholders changes the entire political calculus around AI oversight. Also from Microsoft, the company just announced a $2.5 billion investment to launch something called Frontier Company. The concept embeds 6,000 of their own engineers and sector specialists directly inside client organizations to co-design and operate AI systems. This isn't a software license, it's Microsoft moving into your building. That's a fundamentally different model for enterprise AI adoption, and it's a huge swing. In AI research news, Thinking Machines Lab, founded by former OpenAI CTO Mira Murati, partnered with Bridgewater to show something the big labs don't want you to hear. A small, custom AI model trained on expert-graded financial data outperformed GPT, Claude, and Gemini on specialized tasks at 1/14th the cost. For any enterprise buying Frontier model subscriptions, that number should stop you cold. In AI video news, China's Kling AI, backed by Alibaba, is raising over $2 billion at an $18 billion valuation. With a 2027 IPO potentially on the horizon, the timing is no accident. OpenAI shut down Sora, leaving a massive gap in the AI video generation market. Kling is sprinting to own that space globally, and right now, no Western competitor is stepping up to stop them. In tech hardware news, Meta's smart glasses now hold over 80% of the smart glasses market, and the latest version ships with GPS, live translation, and AI vision. Mark Zuckerberg is publicly predicting they'll replace your smartphone by 2030. That used to sound like hype. But when you control 80% of a category, and you're stacking features this fast, the phone replacement question becomes a lot less hypothetical. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about governments as AI company shareholders in the comments, give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.